Thanks to Jason at Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for the professional installation of our SENSEN struts. We always recommend you go to a professional for this type of repair, however this one was quite easy with the right tools. Today we will be replacing a set of rear shocks on a 2006 Honda Pilot. This set fits the 2003 through 2008 Honda Pilot all models, the 1999 through 2004 Honda Odyssey all models, and the 2001 through 2002 ACURA MDA all models. We recommend using SENSEN Shocks and Struts when replacing your worn out shocks and struts. SENSEN Shocks and Struts come with a limited lifetime warranty. They are benchmark tested against industry leaders for quality and designed to meet or exceed original equipment specifications. SENSEN has been manufacturing shocks and struts since 1985. Their shocks and struts use Japanese NOK seals for superior leak resistance and come with a premium powder coated finish to provide a long-lasting corrosion and rust protection. The SENSEN brand is where quality meets affordability. Some of the tools needed for this installation include a 17mm socket to remove the top and bottom bolt, and a pry bar.
That's going to be a 17mm. Also 17.
This concludes our rear shock installation on a 2006 Honda Pilot. Be sure to look for our front complete strut assembly installation video for this vehicle. Thanks for watching, and thanks to Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for their professional installation.